guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about the law of independent assortment as well as dihybrid cross. So let's get started. Law of independent assortment, which was the law which was left after yesterday's session. So that is nothing but during gamete formation, as we have already studied in case of law of segregation, that whenever the gametes are getting produced, they are getting segregated individually. To develop into individual, they are getting segregated, right? So during gamete formation, when different pairs of alleles segregate independently of each other, that is known as law of independent assortment. That is known as law of independent assortment. Okay. Now, this on the basis of this law, what cross we are having is dihybrid cross. So the term di itself means two. Okay, the term di itself means two. So dihybrid cross means the cross between two plants having two pairs of contrasting characters. So whenever two pairs of contrasting characters are getting involved, whenever two pairs of contrasting characters are getting involved and it is leading to the formation of gametes, or rather I would say alleles also independently, that is nothing but dihybrid cross. Okay, so what is dihybrid cross? Here the key points which you need to remember are two pairs, contrasting characters and cross. So whenever two pairs of contrasting characters are taken to cross each other, then it forms what? Then it forms the dihybrid cross. Okay. So in case of dihybrid cross, we are going to take two pairs of contrasting characters. So let's name this P1 because that was the first parental generation. So here we are taking two pairs of characters, that is R, R, Y, Y. What are they? Round. R, capital R stands for round, capital Y stands for yellow. So round yellow seed. Let's take them that they are male. Okay. So whenever you want to make anyone understand that it's male, you give this symbol. One circle and above that one arrow. Okay. So round yellow seed. See here also two pairs of contrasting characters are there. One is round. That means which is talking about the shape of the seed, and yellow is the color of the seed. So round yellow, right? Next, the second which we are taking opposite to this is R, R, Y, Y. Okay. So what we are taking? We are taking small r, and small y. Okay. So what they are? They are nothing but they are wrinkled green seed. Small r stands for wrinkled, small y stands for green. That is green and seed. So wrinkled green seed. Let's take this as the female. So this is the symbol of the male and this is the symbol of the female. Okay. I'll just write it once again because it's not understandable. So this, you put a circle and then you just put it a plus like this. Okay. So this is the symbol of the female. Now this is the round yellow seed. What gametes the round yellow seed will give us? So gamete formation happens here in the next, and it leads to what? Capital R and capital Y. So this is the gamete which is produced here from round yellow seed. Now what this one will give us? This one will give us small r and small y. What it is giving? Small r and small y. Okay, as the gamete. Small r and small y as the gamete. Now these two, when these two will be crossed, they are forming what? Capital R, small r and capital Y, small y. So these is the result. This is the result which we get in case of first filial generation. So this is F1 generation which we are getting. Clear? This is F1 generation which we are getting. This is the result. Now, so what is the nature? Here, nature of the seeds? All round seeds are produced. All round and also yellow. So all round yellow seeds are produced. Okay. All round yellow seeds are produced. Why all round yellow seeds are getting produced? Because from the nature only you can see. That means here we are getting what? Capital R, small r, capital Y and small y. Okay, as the gametes after the first cross. Okay, so we know that capital R and capital Y are the dominant and capital small r and small y are the recessive ones. So always the dominant one rules, right? So here capital R, that means the round shape, and capital Y, that is the yellow color, these two are ruling. Therefore all the seeds which are produced after this crossing over of first generation is known as, first filial generation, are all round yellow seeds in nature. Okay. Now in the second case, that means parental 2 generation, P2. Okay, in case of parental 2 generation, these will be acting as the parents. So capital R, small r, capital Y, small y will do a crossover with capital R, small r and capital Y, small r. Okay, capital R, small r, capital Y, small y will combine with capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Now what is the result that will be produced? So these will be giving when we are doing a crossing over. Okay, so what are the results that are getting produced? This is giving, so capital R and capital Y gives you these two. Okay, then capital R, small y gives you these two. Then, so capital R work is done, right? Capital R has been combined with capital Y once, so round yellow, and capital R combined with small y, that is round green. Okay. Then coming to the small r. So when small r is getting combined with capital Y, it is giving wrinkled yellow. And when this small r, that means the wrinkled one, is getting combined with small y, it is giving what? Wrinkled green, ry. So these are the 4 gametes which we are getting. Again, in after, that means where the RRYY are acting as parents, we are getting these as the gametes. Okay. So coming to the next thing, that means these also, this one, when we are doing it, also will produce what? Capital R, capital Y, then capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Same way. Okay, just like this, it will be producing this too. So these are the gametes which are getting produced. Now we will move on to the next thing, that means F2 generation. So I'll rub this fully and I'll write these on the top now. Okay, so I'm rubbing this. I hope all of you have got this. Okay, if any problem you can take a screenshot too. If any confusion is there, please ask me in the comment section below if you are not able to understand any of this process. Okay, so I'm rubbing this. Coming to the F2 generation. So till F1 we did, after that we did the selfing and crossing over again, and then the resultant which we got are, that means the gametes which we got are, what are the gametes which are getting produced? So here we'll make a box. Okay, so basically R, Y, I mean RRYY, okay, and RRYY, that was there. So selfing occurred here. So this process here is known, which occurs here, is called as selfing. Okay. So selfing occurred here and it lead to the development of RY. Then, I mean, the gametes which were produced were capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Like this here also same, capital R, capital Y, capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. So all contrasting and all of that we have done. Now what we will do is, we'll form the chart. I mean, in case of F2 generation, what is happening, we will do that. So this is the most important one, F2 generation. Okay. Now, so what here we need to make is that the chart formation. I mean that box formation which we did. Okay. So I'll try to draw it a little bit straight, though it's not happening. Okay. So here what we are going to take, so it's a Punnett square. Okay. It's a Punnett square, you can say. So here R, Y, one gamete. Whatever we are going to write here, we are going to write in this side also. Okay. Whatever we are going to write here, we are going to write in this side also. I hope that's okay. Now, so these are, suppose here what I'll do is, these are the female gametes and these are the male gametes. That means this portion is representing the male gamete. Okay. This portion is representing the male gamete and this below portion, I mean downward portion, is representing the female gamete. That's why I have given the symbols here. Okay. Okay. Now RY was the first one. After that, what was the second one? Okay, I'll just make a little bit bigger one so that it's easier for you people to, see. So RY, then capital R, small y, then small r, small capital Y, and last but not the least, small r, small y. Okay. So what we are doing here, we will be doing in this side also. Whatever we are doing here, we will be doing that in this side also. So here also, capital R, capital Y. Okay. Then give like this. I mean, I can't draw it straight. I'm unable to draw because of the board. So this, then capital R, small y, then small r, capital Y, and small r, small y. Okay, that's what we are getting. Now, coming to the crossover. So when we are crossing this in case of F2 generation, when we are crossing this in case of F2 generation, what are the things which we are getting? So when we are crossing these two, we are getting R, R, Y, Y. So what are the nature of the seed? Round, yellow. Okay. When we are crossing this, what are the things like gametes we are getting? Capital R, or you can do it like capital R, capital Y. Okay. Write it like this only. Capital R, capital Y, small y. Okay. So capital R, capital Y, small y. So that means, which one is the dominant here? R. That means it will be round. And among the color, which one is the dominant? Y. That is capital Y. So yellow. This is also round yellow seed. Okay. Now, when we are crossing these two, so capital R, small r, capital Y, that means here also the nature of the seeds are round yellow, right? Round yellow. Then this one, capital R, capital Y, small y. So obviously it's round yellow again. Okay. Coming to the next. So when we are crossing these two. So capital R, capital Y, small y. So the nature of the gametes will be, the nature of the seed will be round yellow. Again, why? Because R is the dominant and Y is the dominant. Okay. So the dominant character mainly comes up or rules. So that's why nature of the seed will be again round yellow. Coming to this. So capital R, small y. That means round. But this is what? Small y was what? Green. So round green seeds. Now this got changed here. So round green. Okay. Next, capital R, capital Y, small y. So again, round yellow seeds. Round yellow seeds. Next, capital R, small y, small y. So here also, round green. Because R is the dominant one here, but both the Y's are, no one is dominant, both are recessive. So green one prevails. So round green. So let's move to the next, this one again. So capital R, capital Y and capital Y. So round yellow seeds. Round yellow seeds. Now this one, capital R, capital Y, small y. So round yellow again. Round yellow again. Coming to the next, small r, capital Y. So here both the r's are small. That means wrinkled. Small r represents wrinkled. So wrinkled yellow seeds will be produced here. Wrinkled yellow seeds will be produced here. Next, small r, capital Y, small y. So wrinkled yellow again. Wrinkled yellow again. Okay. So wrinkled yellow. Nature of the seed will be wrinkled yellow. Next. What is happening in the next again? So capital R, capital Y, small y. So round yellow. As simple as that. Then capital R, small y, small y. So round green. What is getting produced? Round green seeds. This is the first one which got produced. We got, round green here we have got, round green here we have got. So two round greens. Three actually. This and this. So round green. Okay. Next. Here, what is happening again? Small r, capital Y, small y. So, wrinkled yellow. Again, one wrinkled yellow we got. So, wrinkled yellow. Last is small r, small y, small y. So, what's that? It's the wrinkled green seed. So, here, the seeds which will be produced will be wrinkled green in nature. Okay, wrinkled green in nature. So that what F2 generation is. Clear? Now, coming to the phenotypic ratio and the genotypic ratio. We have to calculate that too. So I'm rubbing this portion so that I can write it on the top. Okay. So let me rub this. Okay, done. Chalo. Uh, so phenotypic ratio, that means PR, and genotypic ratio, that is GR. Okay. Phenotypic ratio means what? That means seeing the physical appearance. Okay. So we will see. Genotypic ratio means gene wise, whichever is similar. Okay. So what is the phenotypic ratio of this one? If we can see, phenotypic ratio, if you can see, round yellow, that is a phenotype. We can see that, right? It's round in size and yellow in color. So round yellow, round green, all these are phenotypes. That means looking upon the, like, depending upon the appearance it's happening. So one round yellow, how many round yellows we have got? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 round yellows we have got. So 9 is the first. Coming to the second. Other than round yellow, what we are having? Round green. So how many round green we have got? We'll count that. 1 round green, 2 round green, 3 round green. So 3 is the number. Then other than round yellow and round green, what is the other thing which you have got? Wrinkled yellow. So how many wrinkled yellow seeds we have got? Like how many types? Here one wrinkled yellow. This is the second one. This is the third one. So again 3 goes for wrinkled yellow. And last but not the least, we have wrinkled green too. So that is only one in the cross if you observe. If you observe this cross nicely, you will be able to see only one wrinkled green. So that is 9:3:3:1. That is the phenotypic ratio. Coming to the genotypic ratio. Okay. So capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y. Like this, 2 capital R and 2 capital Y. Where we are getting? This is one type of gene. Are there any more genes which are present like capital R, capital R, capital Y, capital Y? Can we see them? This is capital R, capital Y. Here, no. This has to be the similar. Both the R's should be capital, both the Y's should be capital. So we are unable to see anywhere other than this one. So 1. Okay. Next. Capital R, both the R's are capital, but only one Y is capital. Okay. Both the R's are capital, but only one Y is capital. See, here we are seeing this gene that both the R's are capital, one Y is capital and one Y is small. Here also we are seeing both R's are capital, one Y is capital and another is small y. Okay. So here we are seeing that. Other than that, nowhere it is. So 2 in number. Coming to this one, capital R, small r, and both the Y's are capital. Okay. Are we seeing that anywhere other than this? Yes, we are seeing that. Capital R, are we seeing that? Just let me check. Yes. Here we are seeing one. Here we are seeing one. Right? Capital R, small r, capital Y, and yes, and capital R, small r, capital Y. We are seeing here also. So then we can say that 1:2 is the ratio. Another also you can say. So 2 you can write it down, or we can move. Yeah, so 2 I'll write. So here, because we are getting it here itself, right? We are getting that 1 here. Coming to this one. R. Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Okay. So capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Here also we are getting this one and this one. Can you see? Capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. Here we are getting, here we are getting, isn't it? And here also we are getting. So how many we got? 4. We got 4 in number. Okay, so 1:2:2:4 we have got. Coming to this one, capital R, capital Y, and one small y. This already we did. So this one done. The other type of gene that is present is both R's are capital, both Y's are small. So are we getting this anywhere? We have to find that out. Round, both R's are capital and Y both are small. So I don't think anywhere other than this it is present, that both R's are capital and both Y's are small in nature, right? So this is one. Coming to the next, that is capital R, small r, and both the Y's are small. Okay, so here we are getting one and here we are getting one, right? Here we got round green, here we got round green. Okay, this we are getting, but the genes are same. This is also round green, but genes are not same. This and this genes are same, right? So 2 we are getting. Next, next is both this also we took, so this is cancelling. This is also done. Here wrinkled yellow, so both the R's are small and both the Y's are capital. We are not getting that. This is only one type which is present, R, where both the R's are small, both the Y's are capital in nature. So then also 1. Okay, this one, both are small, one Y capital, one Y small. This and this. So 2 in nature. And last but not the least, this one is only 1 in nature. So what we are getting is 1:2:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. That what we are getting. Clear? So the conclusions show that the round and yellow seeds are of dominant characters.